Your hair deserves more than just shampoo and a rushed comb through. This week, we're turning dull, lifeless strands into silky, glowing locks without fancy products or expensive treatments. Think deep nourishment, scalp rituals, and a little consistency that brings real results. In just 7 days, you'll notice the difference not just in how your hair looks, but how it feels. So if you're ready for soft shine, healthy length, and that effortless hair flip, your glow up starts now. Do a warm oil scalp massage. A warm oil scalp massage uses natural oils to improve the health of your scalp and encourage hair growth. Oils like coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, and argan oil can all be used during your scalp massage. Keep in mind, warm scalp massages have not been scientifically proven to lead to faster hair growth. Start by warming up the oil in a bowl of hot water. Test the oil before you use it to make sure it is not scalding hot. You want a comfortable temperature that will not damage your scalp or your hair. Use your fingertips, not your fingernails, to gently massage your scalp with the warm oil in slow, circular motions. If you have a partner or a friend close by, ask them to help you massage your scalp. Have them massage your scalp with their fingertips for about 3 minutes. Then, run the oil through your hair and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Shampoo your hair well, possibly more than once, to remove the oil. Do the oil massage on the days when you normally shampoo, so that you do not end up washing your hair more often than usual. Make a hair mask. Give your hair some TLC and encourage your hair follicles to grow faster by applying a hair mask once or twice a week. You can make your own natural oil mask or buy over-the-counter hair masks at your local drugstore or beauty supply store. Combine 1 cup of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon almond oil, macadamia oil, and jojoba oil. Apply the mask to damp hair and leave it in for 10 minutes. Then, wash and condition your hair as you normally would. To avoid overwashing, use your hair mask on days when you normally shampoo. Try a castor oil treatment. Castor oil is known for its beneficial effects on skin and hair. Using a castor oil hair mask may help your hair to grow faster and healthier. Start by massaging your scalp with castor oil and allowing the oil to fall into your hair. Wrap your hair and head with a plastic shower cap so the oil stays put. Some of the oil will probably seep out from under the cap, so you may want to spread a towel on your pillow to protect your pillowcase. Leave the oil in overnight. The following morning, wash and condition your hair as you usually would, making sure to remove all the oil. Apply an apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar can be very effective at removing dirt, grime, and oil buildup in your hair, as well as any residue from your hair styling products. You can use apple cider on the days you do not use shampoo as a natural alternative, or apply it following your regular shampoo and conditioner routine. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to 2 cups of water and rinse your hair with this mixture. Though the water may smell strongly of vinegar, this smell will fade. Adjusting your hair care routine. Shampoo your hair 2 to 3 times during the week. Cutting down on your shampoo routine to 2 to 3 times a week will allow the oils in your scalp to penetrate your hair. Your hair can then hydrate and repair itself. If you notice your scalp gets very oily or itchy after shampooing for only 2 to 3 times a week, you may want to increase the amount of times you shampoo every week. To properly shampoo your hair, only rub it into your scalp, massaging your scalp as you do this, and then let the shampoo run down the strands of your hair as you wash out the shampoo. Condition your hair every time you shower. Unlike shampoo, it's important that you always use conditioner on your hair when you get it wet in the shower. Conditioner can help to replace the lipids and proteins in your hair shafts and allow your hair to grow longer and healthier. Cold rinse your hair at the end of a shower. Rinsing your hair with cool water at the end of a hot shower can help to seal the cuticle and give your hair more durability when you style it. It is especially important to cold rinse after conditioning. The cold water will seal the hair cuticles and lock in moisture from the conditioner. Avoid wrapping your wet hair in a towel, as it can cause breakage and stress on fragile strands. Instead, gently pat your hair dry with a towel. If you prefer wrapping, use a thin or soft microfiber towel to reduce damage. Brush your hair before bed using a boar bristle brush. This helps spread natural scalp oils throughout your hair, keeping it moisturized and healthy. It also boosts blood circulation in the scalp, which may support better hair growth over time. Avoid using hot styling tools like straighteners, curlers, and blow dryers too often, as they can damage your hair and slow down growth. Try to embrace natural styles instead. If you must use heat, keep the setting low and always apply a heat protectant to minimize damage. Get regular trims to keep your hair healthy and encourage better growth. Cutting about 1/8 of an inch every 6 to 8 weeks helps prevent split ends from spreading up the hair shaft, which can lead to breakage and shorter hair over time. Consistent trims reduce damage and keep your hair looking fuller and stronger. Try the inversion method to boost blood flow to your scalp and possibly encourage hair growth. Simply lie on your bed with your head hanging slightly off the edge for 4 to 5 minutes daily. You can also do yoga poses like downward dog or shoulder stand, keeping your head below your heart. Use these simple tips daily and watch your hair become healthier, shinier, and longer in just 1 week. No harsh products, just natural care and consistency your hair will thank you.